Kumba Shispa Santhulai ngot ki Samla Puli Jong ka Sankardev College Hadian bakila pendep ya ki Jing Puli graduation jongki ha ki department bapher ka badai laisnem jong ka snem arjar arpuwe du arjar arpusau minta kasngi ka artarik unailor na kalyang ka college kala penlong ya ka graduation day na ka benta ki Samla ki bala pendep ya ka graduate bat kentubru ya ki Samla ki bala pendep ya ka Khasi traditional music na katay ka jaka pulie ki ban rio benai. Hagani ka sngi lawan bandan binta da u Dr. Ricky AJ Sinkan, u badai u MP jong ka Shillong seat, u balong ru u kongsan ringkat ka jingdon lang ka principal ka kong Eureka FP Lingdo, bat ki nong hikai jong ka college ringkat ki samla pulie. Habakren na kalyang ukong san uloong baka jing pendep ya ka degree kadai ka sakhi ba pinhi ya ka dak jong ka jingtray shitom badru kadai ka dak ka shin bangila ban kiu shaprang ha ka puli puthi. Ha ka ni ka sngi ka college kalapin kup burom kerpang hiki samla ki balawan shikmat ha ka exam ba pher.
I offer my sincere congratulations to all those students who have graduated. All students cherish their graduation day, and I am happy to be here with you on this defining day of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, it is heartening to know that the college, since its establishment way back in 1962, has now successfully completed around 62 years of imparting quality learning, character building, and skill development to thousands and thousands of students since its inception. Well, it is a matter of satisfaction that the college has grown by leaps and bounds in almost every front. From a modest beginning, which was an evening college, right, way back in 1962, and now Sankardev College is almost like, I would say, the epicenter of learning, especially in this part of the region. I congratulate and the able leadership of the principal. Well, I'm happy to learn also that the college today commits itself to the highest level of imparting quality education through continuous upgradation of facilities and infrastructure. I remember this college, well, 30 years ago, maybe 25 years ago, it was just one building. But thank God, praise God, that we see buildings and infrastructure coming up with each and every passing year. And the introduction of postgraduate courses, vocational and certificate courses, e-learning portals that I saw in the presentation, and also the commitment for academic excellence. It is quite evident from the fact that the college was re-accredited with B grade by the NAC. And I'm very pleased to also know that the college is offering, as of today, the MA DESOL and also the postgraduate in Khasi.